So what's up, guys? I know y'all probably can see me, y'all probably can hear me now because I do have a mic, man. So but behind me is my Yamaha Banshee, man. In the beginning clips, y'all boys can see, or whoever's watching, y'all can see that my Banshee started leaking, and it just started leaking when I was riding. I actually was coming, this video that y'all seeing right now of the Banshee, when it was leaking, was a video I was supposed to put out already. It wasn't supposed to leak. I was supposed to put a video out of me riding the Banshee. But man, as I was on the way here with my daughter, the Banshee, it started leaking, man. So I had to push that out and then hop on the YZ125. But man, as you can see here, the Banshee is back, man. And I solved the problem myself, man. I went in, did like a whole diagnosis of the carb to see what was going on, because I could see that the fuel was coming from the carburetor, man. And I checked that out and I got everything squared away, man. So y'all boys, you don't have to worry about the Banshee being down too long. Y'all boys, I got it right. And in today's video, it's not clickbait, because the title probably gonna be like I blew the motor or something. Something did happen, it was leaking. But man, it's here. Y'all did see the little clip. But man, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna rip it for y'all. That's the type of videos I like to do, ripping it. I feel like I got the camera set up. I got a mic. Hopefully the mic is recording. I'm finna rip it for y'all, and y'all boys just sit back, enjoy the video. Let's get it. Let's get this bad baby ready to rip. This bad baby ripping. Let's start it off with a beautiful hole shot. That was a beautiful hole shot right there, y'all boys. Beautiful hole shot. Let me tell you how you take off right here. This is how you do it. You're gonna sit up on them, give it some gas, hold that brake. That was a beautiful hole shot right there, y'all boys. Beautiful hole shot. Show you how you take off right here. This is how you do it. You gotta get up on them. got to get in view of that camera, man. Ah. You always got to be in view of the camera. Here we go. That was an ugly one. Hopefully y'all boys, I'm getting good shots, good video. The temps is running at 114. As long as you keep that Banshee moving, hey, it's gonna be good for you. This whole shot alley right here, man. We getting that behold shots. We ain't leaking. We ain't leaking. Hold up. Make sure we recording. Yeah. We recording. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, my brakes starting to feel a little loose. I think I need to go get my brakes redone. I'm gonna give y'all a couple more hole shots. Probably can't change the camera view. And let's get it. I don't know if y'all gonna want more of the view of the phone or more of the GoPro footage, but let's get it. It feels a little weak, y'all. Hold up. Let me go in a second. Woo, second is real weak. I don't feel the power down low no more, kid. Not kid. There we go. There we go. I don't know, that's probably gonna be it for today's video. I got a couple hole shots, things like that. Hopefully the this thing is still recording and I got some good quality videos. I don't know, first time really using the GoPro, and now we're gonna get a good thumbnail.